Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Twitter account. So first of all, open X app. Now I'm provide easy method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. Click on continue with Google or create account. Select a language and then next. Type here to name. If you want to add phone number or email address, select date of birth and then next. Enter your verification code. Tap on to next. Type here to strong password. Click on upload a photo, or if you want to skip for now. If you want to customize your username or skip from here. Continue. Click on to next. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily create Twitter account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.